I'm grilling my ground brisket burgers. They're stuffed with a Gouda cheese. I season them with a buttery steak seasoning and a little bit of Montreal. And we'll see what we get. My Wagyu brisket trim burgers, nearly done. Lots of juice dripping out of there. Stay some in. Please stay some in. March 28, 2020. Dinner while on lockdown. Stay at home. I cut open one of the buns just to see what the texture would be, and the texture is very fluffy looking. It looks like for sure the hamburgers will hold up in here, so it's going to make a very good, tasty hamburger bun. Stay tuned. Now that's a burger.